Okay, so hope everyone knows what is SSH. Can anyone tell me like what is SSH? Anyone have any idea like what is SSH and why we use this?
I only know the full form of SSH. That's it.
Okay, no problem. So basically, this is a lovely pic of SSH. Let me increase this. So that's how SSH looks like. SSH is a network protocol which is used to securely access and manage the remote system over the unsecured network. It provides a secure channel for logging into the computer over the network, and it's provides also allow you to execute the networking commands and transfer the files between two machines. If here is a SSH client and here is a server, so whenever he is sending any file, the file is used to encrypt here, and then it has a key here, and whenever it is going to reach to destination, it will again decrypt that file, similar file, and then the server will receive that. So basically, it's a complete encrypted file, and there is a exchange of a public key here. So that's how SSH work. And today we will be trying to take control of the SSH port. We will be trying to capture whatever things there, and we will be trying to enter into a device just by using their SSH port. So this will be the agenda for today, and this is the basic purpose of SSH, and that's how SSH work. And SSH is mainly used for the system and network, mainly used by system and network administrator to manage and configure the remote server devices very securely, because all the data is very much encrypted here. So whatever things you are doing, it will be encrypted here. And the SSH is currently replacing the protocol which is Telnet. The similar thing it was doing before that. And Telnet was before SSH. Telnet was used for transmit data, but now SSH is more secure over Telnet. That's why people are start using SSH right now. So SSH basically first encrypt the data, and then the guy who has authentication to access the data, he will be using that data, and he will be only access to that data. So let's switch to Kali machine and start with attacking on SSH. So my machine, everyone can see my Kali machine here. Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm using Terminator, and you all can use Terminal also. My favorite is Terminator. That's why I used to use this because it's a little interactive, I feel like. So that's why I'm using this. You can simply install this by apt install package manager. You can install this, and this is quite good, and it is fine, working fine for me. That's why I'm using right now. You can also use this, or even the by default terminal of Kali machine. This one is also good. It's also very good to use when you put MS console. It's work perfectly fine. But right now I'm using Terminator just because I feel like it's quite good. That's why. So it is also fine. But I will be using Terminator today. So hope whatever terminal you are using, all good. So first, our target is like SSH. So for before hacking into the SSH, I have configured my metasploitable 2 machine also. Let me give it 1 or 2 seconds. It will be coming back. Like it was a lot of time to switch that on. That's why it's taking time. Okay, so here is my metasploitable 2 machine, and you all can see the IP address for my metasploit machine is 192.168.128.134. So this is my IP address right now. I will be targeting this metasploitable 2 machine using my Kali machine, and I will be trying to take access of each and everything that is available on that. So before doing all these steps, we will be doing a lot of password attacks there, brute force attacks. So first we will create a file. Let me create a file using my nano editor. You all can create when you put nano, and I am creating my username file where I will be setting all the usernames. So username, I am giving the name username dot username one dot txt. It is going to create a file. I have also added few names here, like for username, like root admin user test services. You can put any of the digit here or any of the number. You can download many brute force attack username by default files that is available on the Google GitHub repository. Even Kali Linux is also having such files to demonstrate your attack or to perform your attack. But I know that metasploitable machine is not that much secure. That's why I'm using some by default usernames also. And similar to this, you just need to do control plus O and press enter, and then control plus X to exit out of all this thing. So I am doing this thing, control plus O to save, enter, and then control plus X to exit. So that was my username file. I can check my username file using cat command, cat username I text. This is showing what is inside my username file. Similar to this, you have to create a file for a password. You can simply create by using nano editor. Nano and Vim are two powerful editor on a Kali Linux, but I'm using nano editor right now. You can use any of this. So I'm making my password file. To make your password file, you just have to print nano password1.txt. This is my password file name. So when I enter, I have written few password names here, like by default password for MSF Metasploitable 2 machine. I have uploaded here. I have written some name here. Everyone can see it clearly. Is it visible, everyone? Everyone, can you see my Kali machine properly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So whenever I ask, just confirm me there so I can proceed further. I am not able to check my chats here and even do anything on my Windows machine, because right now on my Kali machine. So let's switch here. So these are the passwords that I will be using while performing a brute force attack. This password file can be a large greater. Like in a previous few session, we have created a password file using the Crunch tool. In that, we have created a hell lot of powerful password for password texts for password attacks. But now we are just creating a simple password attack file. So you just need to press Control plus O, enter, and then Control plus X to exit. And now I am going to see what is inside my password file. So cat, and is showing whatever password I have put in here. I have to check for password .txt1. Here I have also put it. I will be using this file only, like cat uh, passwords1.txt. I will be using to perform all the attacks. So let's start with, like this how you have to make your password files to establish an attack. So hope everyone is done with that, like how to create a file, how to create a brute force attack file for a password attack. Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now hope, yes. Now hope, yeah. Now hope everyone can clearly create a file using a nano editor. You can even use a Vim editor. That is too powerful also. But in today's video, I am just using nano editor. I prefer a nano every time. So I am going to target my Metasploitable 2 machine as usual. You don't have to target any live system or any live machine, because it comes with a lot of damages. Like if you are going to take access of anyone's machine over the internet without any permission and without knowing them, so that is completely illegal. So always make sure to follow the law and be ethical every single time, and don't try to break any rules. So by considering all this thing, I am just going to uh, do a quick check over my Metasploitable 2 machine using nmap command, like what are the ports and services opening here there. So nmap hyphen sv we will be using to sv we will be using to check what are the services and ports opening on my Metasploitable 2 machine. So this is my Metasploitable 2 machine IP address here. So when you press enter, it will take few seconds to complete the scan, because it's a little little larger scan, so it will take few seconds to complete with. So just give it a few seconds. Okay, so now my scan is done, and here you can clearly see that my port 22, which is SSH, and this port is open, and its version is open SSH 4.7.p1. which is Debian 8 and using protocol 2.0. So we will be targeting this port. So we will be launching all of our attacks using our MSF console like Metasploit machine. So let me launch Metasploit. So this is the command to launch your Metasploit MSF console. So when you do MSF console, your Metasploit will be opening, and this how it changes its banner every single time you open it up. So this is the new banner it has given me, and this how it's a cell. It has given me a cell. So I have to search for SSH. Like I am attacking SSH right now. So let me search for SSH here, and it has given me a lot of auxiliaries and exploit for SSH. So we have to use a exploit from here. Like today we will be using a login. We will be trying to log in into SSH. So we will be using this exploit like auxiliary scanner SSH login. We will be using by using this exploit. We will be trying to log in into SSH protocol or SSH port. We will be trying to log in. So to use this, you just need to simply copy this and uh, just let me use. You just need to use put use command like use, and then the exploit you are going to use. Like it's a auxiliary right now, so I'm going to use this auxiliary. So when you press enter, your auxiliary will be loaded here. So let me once check. Anyone have any issues, or should I proceed further? Everything clear, everyone? Anyone have any issues? Okay, okay, okay. So hope everything is clear to all of you. So let me again move back to my Kali machine, which is this one. So let me move back. My exploit is being loaded here. So let me show the options. Like what are the options it is providing me? When you Okay, so when you put show options, it will be show you the options, like what are the options you are available here, and like what how you can modify all of them. So here it is having an option like password file. Like here we will be injecting our password file that we have made using the nano editor, and this is the usernames like username like a user file. In a user file we will be providing the username that like it is the file which contains username one user per line. So we have created this type of file using the nano editor as you all have seen previously. So this we will be using for a user file like a user name one.txt that I have created. I will be using as a user file, and password one.txt I have created. I will be using for a password file. And here this is the verbosity like on what attempt what is the output you need. So this is set it here false. I need to set it to true also. And here another option which is stop on success. Like if your password matches to the machine, then you need to stop at that time, and it's false right now. It means it will if it gets a right password also, get until it will, if it get the right password, still it will be attacking that system. So we don't want to get into that. So we will be letting this to set this to true. So first set me stop on success. So set I'm just simply going to copy this. I copy and say I have to set this for false. No, this is false already. I have to set this for true. So I have set this for true, and I have to set verbose for a true also. So let me set verbose for true also. And I have to set r host. Like r host is the target machine whatever I am going to target. So here I am targeting my metasploitable 2 machine which is available here. It usually takes 1 or 2 seconds to load. So just load it so you all can see this. So this is my metasploitable 2 machine which I'm going to attack here. Okay, so this is the metasploitable 2 machine. So I'm going to set rhost as a metasploitable 2. So let me set rhost. Set rhosts and and now I have to put the IP address of my metasploitable 2 machine, which I have uploaded here. That was this one. This is the IP of my metasploitable 2 machine. I'm simply going to copy from here, and I'm going to paste here. Okay, so now my R host is also being set, and now I have to set the username and password file. So for this, I have to simply set, and when you go to your files, when you move to your files, this one, uh, even on home you can find, like I am going to my file directory. Let me open the home also. So here I have my password dot passwords 1.txt and username 1.txt. So this how you will be getting your file. So you just have to right click on that, and you have to go in the properties. In properties you will be getting like what is the location and what is the name of that file. So just copy the location from here. Every laptop is showing you the different locations also, so you need to put whatever location you are getting here, getting on your PC, and then set. I have to, what I have copied, I have copied, one second, I have copied the usernames file. So one second, you just have to set usernames. Okay, so I am setting user file. So set user underscore files file, and my file is home slash rupankar and slash. Again have to check the name of the file, that is users name.txt. I'm showing everything that no one will be facing any issues while doing this. So you just simply put this. Now my username has been loaded, my user file is set here, and again I have to set my password file, which is here, pass file I have to set. So you just need to set your uh, once again set password file, and my password file is in same directory. So I'm just going to copy the disk name. uh, One second, there is a lot of space here. Okay, so home Rupankar, and my the name, you can also again check your name of your password file from coming here. Let me increase this, and here is my password on txt. When I go to its property, I can see its name, like it's a password.txt. I'm going to copy from here, and I will be again coming back to my terminal, and I am pasting this. So now my username and password file has been set. So again I have to show the options, what are the options I have configured till now. So now it's showing that this is my username file, this is user file, and this is my password file that I have set it here. This is my target machine, and I have also set it true for a stop on success. So every configuration is done. So we just need to exploit. So anyone have any questions, or should be again I have to exploit that? Any questions, anyone?
No,
Okay.
can you explain stop on success? Means
What?
like
Sir,
when
can you
it will
explain
be
once more?
stop
What?
like this.
Yes, yes. A stop on success. A stop on success means if your attack begins and you get the password, like you have given a list of 200 username and 200 passwords name, and if you get your username in just five attacks, when it start attacking one or two, three, in fifth attempt you get your username, and in the fifth attempt you get your password, then if you are not going to stop that, then it will be loading until all the username will be finishing. So it will be go up to your 200 usernames and your 200 password, but you have got the password in just fifth attempt. So why to get a 200 attempt? So that's why it will be ignoring everything, and it will be stop just after that. So that's why we are using this stop
सर
thing.
Okay.
मेरा एक क्वेश्चन
Yes, yes, I am.
सर ये हम एसएसएच प्रोटोकॉल के ऊपर ब्रूट फोर्स अटैक कर रहे हैं ना सर जिससे हमें यूजर नेम और पासवर्ड मिल सके उस मशीन का
Yes, yes. So let me
तो फिर
execute the run command. We are just targeting SSH. So let me do run command. run, and even you can you put exploit command, but I am using run command route. So now it is starting the brute force. Like first it has checking for root and password, first password that I have, first username that I have given, and the first password, and together with that it will be checking for each and every password. It will combine, like for root username it will check for all the password I have provided. Then it has just started attacking for the admin, like for admin it has started again. Let me increase the size little bit. So for it again it started for admin, and then it's checking all the thing, like whatever comes into the password file it will be checking for everything. Then it has started for user, and until we will be not getting the correct password it will not stop. So this is the main thing of a brute force attack. Like it is just randomly using the combination of both username and password file, that whatever we have provided here, and it is targeting both of them. And whatever comes, it is just showing us the result, like all the attempts are failed until it gets successful. It will not stop. So it also depend on the configuration of your PC, what will be the stop speed of your brute force attack. So if your PC is literally slow, and if you are using just 8 GB RAM or a 4 GB RAM, so it may be a little slow at that time. But if your PC is a little strong and having a good configuration, it will not take that much time. So I hope within 1 or 2 minutes it will be going to end up. So now it is checking for each and every password. So just to give it 1 or 2 minutes only. So anyone have any issues, or should everyone understand like how brute force attack work? Everyone?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so now, yes. So now it's showing success. Like we have got our admin, MSF admin as a username, and MSF admin as a password. So these two we have gotten here. Hope everyone can see this. Like it is showing success after getting failed for many attempts. Now it's successful, and MSF admin and MSF admin is our username and password. So now we will try to take a session. So. Like our session is also open, which is SSH session 1, which is open for this machine at port 37461. So now we will be try to take session. So for getting the idea like what are the session open here, so just simply put session hyphen L I have to put to get the idea, like unknown session. It's showing it's unknown session. So let me put session hyphen I, and then one, like a first I'm giving it the first session and I to see it, and unknown. Okay, so let me run for the help command. Why it's not giving me the session? Like session first session for it's showing to give k and 1. So I'm, so it has just killed the session, whatever session we have get. So I have to again start that. By mistake I have put it k interface for kill the session, so my session is ended here. But when you put I and 1, then it will be starting your session, and then you can execute all of your command. So everyone understand, or should I again start this? Should I again run the attack? Everyone understood, like how you can get the session there?
Sir, one more time, please.
Okay, okay.
One more
Let
time.
One more time.
okay, okay. Let me run that again. Okay, so once again, if we run, let me everything. Just let me check the options. So options. So all the options we have set it is as it is. It has just left the session because I have put it job key to stop the running session. So that's why it has killed the session. So let me again run the exploit, and it has again started the brute force attack. So now it is again starting, and it will be attacking for few seconds, and then it will be trying to give me the session. Just give it 1 or 2 seconds to give it this. Okay, so I have just put it session I here. I have to put it sessions I here. So that was the mistake. So again, it is starting the session. No worries. Just give it 1 or 2 minutes again to do a brute force attack here. Okay, so it's testing again. So let me take any question. Anyone have any questions regarding the brute force attack, or everyone understand? Like it's using the set of username and password whatever we have provided here, and it's trying to use all of them and try to get you the session. So that's how it's working.
Actually, I have one question. Like, if
Yes,
we're
yes.
not gonna use this MS part, and if we want to do brute force from other things, we can do.
Other thing, if you are not using Metasploit, then other option for you is Hydra. You can also use Hydra application for your brute force attack. You can use if you have a little more advanced, then you can use a Hashcat also to attack on that. But Metasploit has already built-in modules to attack on that. That's why I am using Metasploit only here. But if you want to just a quick scan and quick attack, then you can also use Hydra. And Hydra is also a very powerful tool. Even if you search in my group before 1 or 2 day, I have posted a book on the book there regarding the Hydra. So let me open the session hyphen I, and now this is the second session. So I'm putting this two, and now the session is starting. So now I can interact with the Metasploitable 2 machine. Right. So till now everything cleared, everyone. How you can communicate with this machine? Okay. So let me check who am I. Who am I? Okay, so now it's showing that he's MSF admin, and MSF admin is a username of my Metasploitable 2 machine. So it shows that I have taken the control of my Metasploitable 2 machine through my Kali machine. It always takes few seconds to start with whenever I am
Sir, this
attacking
brute
this.
force
Yes, yes.
similar works to Android phone.
For what purpose?
Sir, this brute force attack is similar work to Android phone.
Yes, yes. Similarly, it will be if you have already installed Kali machine on your Kali Linux on your Android machine, it will be working perfectly fine on your Android machine also, Android device also. No worries for that. It's just
No, sir, I am
required.
saying I am starting the brute force attack on victim Android phone. So
Yes,
this
yes,
is work.
yes, yes. It will be still working. So let me check who am I here on my Metasploitable 2 machine. Okay, who am I? So here it's showing MSF admin, and a similar way it's showing on my Metasploit to Metasploit. Like on my Kali machine, it's also showing it's a MSF admin. So that shows that we have a complete access of our Metasploitable 2 machine using our Kali machine. So this was that's why we have attacked a lot, and now we have access. So anyone, you can also check for any files that is available on my Metasploitable 2 machine. I don't think I have any file. So I have created this new directory, and I have this vulnerable file. You can even make file mail make directories here. Let me you can do lot of stuffs here. You can just simply uname hyphen a, just get the names here. So this is the complete detail. Like this is a Linux Metasploitable 2 .6.24 server which is running using GNU Linux. So that's it is showing all the details regarding my Metasploitable 2 machine using the SSH. So whenever you are seeing any website, there are a lot of ports available on that, and anyhow every port is vulnerable at some extent. So you can target all this website by loading various command let me exit from here. uh, okay, so I am exited from there, and let me back from that position of module, and now I can search for SSH. Like whenever you see that any website is having SSH port open, there are a lot of I'm not telling you to target any website. Like if you are studying, and if you are doing any bug hunting, or if you are into a control environment, there are a lot of packages you can try with. Like today I have just tried only login command, like auxiliary login, which is I think on 75. So today I have just used this one, but there are a lot of, like, for Windows, there is a Windows Manager SSH keep resistance. So we have even fuzzers for SS2 SSH version 2. We have lot of stuffs here, so they all are very juicy when it comes to attacking any targeted system and all this stuff. So you can do all these stuffs, and just do in a complete safe environment. Don't try to hammer any website and do a lot of SSH brute force attack on any website server. That will put you in a trouble. So don't try to harm anyone, but yes, these things you can learn, and that's how you become a good cybersecurity engineer. So you just need to learn every attack in depth and understand, like, how brute force attack is working, and then what are the protocols running behind any website or any server, and then how I can attack on them, and a lot of stuff you can do. So just try to maintain the legality, and you are ready to go with this. So this is all about the SSH. And so I have a lot of commands also, which you can run into. There are a lot of commands also for which you can run when you have a SS of your any your victim machine. Like, you can check the directories, you can, like, what are the directory you are working with. You can make some directories, you can change the files name here, you can download the files here. You can do, even you can look for the password files that is available on that device, a specific device, and then you can download the password files, and you understand how much damage you can create if you have this much information. I will I just say avoid getting into any legal stuffs, illegal stuffs. But yes, do for everything for learning in safe environment, and make your own lab by setting metasploitable 2 machine and practice as much as you can. Like, we have a lot of ports, and I can't show you everything in just class, because we have a limitation, like classes of a 1 hour and 2 hour long. So it's impossible to attack on every web server and in every services. So you need to check on all that. So that's how it all works. So let me switch to another service, which is a Telnet. Like, there is a service. This is a third one. Let me again move back to my metasploitable 2 machine. Anyone have any questions, or should I move back to my metasploitable 2 metasploit and Kali machine? Anyone have any questions?
No,
Or
sir.
should be okay, okay. So
Yes, sir.
let me, yes, yes. So let me attack some other ports also. Cause okay, so let me clear my terminal and exit from Metasploit. And again I'm here, and again I will be scanning for services running on my metasploitable 2 machine. So you get to remember this command, like nmap-sb. This is for service version detection. If you are not familiar with this scripts, or this commands, or these parameters of an nmap, you can simply put nmap-h help command to get all the parameters done for you. Like, here it will be show all the parameters for you. Like, when you are doing si, it will be doing a idl scan for you. When you do sn, it will be doing tcp null or fin scan. When you are doing sb, it's open, it probes the open port and determine the services and version information. So these are the basic parameters here. So these are the basic parameters. Hope everyone can see this. And let me run a quick scan on my metasploitable 2 machine. 1 second, it will be take few seconds to finish with this. So just give us some time to finish with that. So now we are going to attack on telnet server, like a telnet, which is on port 23, I think. Yes, yes, this is on port 23. We are going to attack. This is telnet, linux telnet. So we are going to attack on this. So um, so let me search for a telnet in MSF console. So again, I am going to start my MSF console, which is Metasploit. So it will take few seconds again to start with that. So now we have our Metasploit open. So everyone understand, like, how to scan any website or any web servers, and get idea regarding what is the services and version they are running with. Hope everyone understand this, like how to get into this. Any questions? Okay, okay. Hope everyone is done with that, like how to scan any website and get the version detection and operating system running there. Let me again move back to my Kali machine. Okay, sorry. This is my metasploitable, and now we are again ready for attacking the telnet server. So for this, I am going to search for telnet login. Is there any module available? Telnet. Telnet login I will be searching for. Okay, so now for Telnet login, we have auxiliary, which is a scanner Telnet login. So it will help us to log in into the Telnet site, like on Telnet web server. Whatever this version is using, we will be directly log into the Telnet, and we will be doing all the attacks, and we can run all the commands of a Telnet from that server. So now I will be loading this. To use this command, you can simply put use, and even you if you give the name number, like if number is 1, so I'm just simply putting 1 here, and now it has already loaded this. So you, if you are not willing to put this much name, you can simply type the number before that, and you will be done with that. So now let me check for the options, like what are the options we have here. So this much option we have, and now we also have to set our password files here, set our user files here, and it will again do a brute force attack, like we are trying to log in into the telnet. So we will be again try to brute force attack on our telnet server. So we will be setting the password file, and we will be setting the user file here, and verbose is already true, and threat is 1 here. I will be setting this threat to 5 to increase the intensity of my attack, and stop on success is false here. I will be setting this to true also, and then I will be setting my r host as my metasploitable to machine IP address. So these things I have to do. So anyone who is doing continuously practice on metasploitable on Kali machine, or everyone is just watching videos, like just watching the session, or anyone is doing simultaneously with me right now? Anyone? But everyone is just
Yes.
watching the session only.
And I'm just watching only.
Okay, okay. Okay, so let me again switch to my Kali machine. Okay, so first I am going to set for verbose. I will be setting this. So let me make the verbose true. Set verbose. Verbose true. Now my verbose is set. Now I will be setting my user file. So set, and the file I will be using same as my previous one, but just understand this in a real world environment, like when you are going to target on any particular server, the username and password file not will be same as I am showing this. You have to make a custom word list for that, and you have to make a customized password and word list for that. And you all have to know like how to create the word list. I have today I have shown you how to create a simple word list using nano editor, but you have to learn how to make a custom word list and a proper word list of a lot of files and attack on that. So let me set user file, and my user file name is username 1.txt. Is it right, everyone? User file, user name, yes, yes, I think this was I was using. Now set the password. So this is the password file I am having here. So set password file, and my password file is password 1.txt passwords. Okay, let me check, otherwise it will give a lot of error. Okay, so let me just quick check this. So password, so it's a passwords dot one txt and usernames dot one txt. So okay, so it may be a little mistake, and so password one dot txt, and again I have to set my user file because I have written a wrong command. So uh, once again, sorry, and user names 1.txt, I think this is right. One second, my memory is little slow, I don't know why. Usernames 1.txt. Okay, okay, so now I think it's all okay. Now everything is done. We have set the brobos user pass. Just one thing I have to set, like stop on success. So also let me check, set stop on success. So stop on success true, and now everything is I think everything is set. So let me show the options here. And now we have set the verbose for a true, and user and password, mm, file is also setted here, and username is also setted here, password file is setted. So all done. So let me use the exploit command once again back to. Anyone have any doubts, or should we again proceed by attacking? Okay, okay.
Sir, you need to create a R host, right?
Yes, bro, I'm not understanding what you are saying. Can you please explain again? Yes,
Yeah, you
bro.
didn't set R host.
Okay, yeah, sorry. Thanks, thanks, thanks for that. I have not set R host here. Like I have not set the target. Target. Okay, okay, okay. Once again, thanks for telling me. Otherwise, I will be saying wow, why the attack is not working. So set R host. You can even use the not a capital, small will be always lowercase will be always open. So I am talking like a kid. Sorry for that. So let me just copy the IP address of my metasploitable 2 machine, and okay, now my attacking machine is always ready. So again, show the options. Okay, so now anything missing or everything is done? Brute force speed. I want to increase the thread also, but no issues. So we don't have a any complex file system here, so it will work completely fine. So let me run exploit command here. Exploit. So now it will be start again brute forcing here, like it is trying to log in by using the root. First it is using root, and then the password files, all the password whatever I have provided, and then it will be using again other username that I may have given, which is admin, and again it is searching for all the password that is available there. So this is best for the practice purposes, and it will take few minutes again to complete this attack. Till that, let's move back to um, chat. Anyone have any issues, or is everything fine?
And why you use two times of username and usernames file?
No. Username files I have removed. When I set it that again, it has already removed of the first time. So don't worry about that. Because by mistake I have set it another username file. So in the second attempt I have removed that. So it will be working fine. Don't worry.
And what does the means of here anonymous login?
Yeah, no. In this anonymous login is only available in FTP. In this anonymous logging is not possible. Anonymous logging only allowed by FTP.
Sir, actually, I have one doubt. Hello.
Yes, please, sure, ask.
So, isn't that necessary for not giving the uh, password and I mean username, password,
No,
location also? No,
if
because
you if you don't know, if you know the password and username, then you can directly log in. You don't know to put anything, so it's not like that. So if you don't know username and password, then only you will be doing a brute force attack. But if you know the username and password, then why to do
no,
this
no,
thing?
I'm not asking that. Actually, for SSH, you have given the file name, including with path also
Yes,
for
yes,
password.txt.
yes,
So
yes,
just
yes,
now
yes.
for Telnet, you haven't given the path.
No,
So is
in
it that
Telnet I
not
have
necessary?
no. I may have given the path also. If I have not given the path, it will not work. So if I have missed
No,
that,
yeah,
it will
you
not
haven't
work.
given path.
Okay, okay. No, but it has taken that file also. Path is not that much necessary. Now it has accepted the attack. So the path is not that much necessary, but it's always a good practice to give the path also. But in this case, I have just given the password file here, and I don't have that much files available on my Linux machine. So that's why it may have detected it very well, because I don't have that much files available here. So I have not get any issues. But if I have a Linux, if I have a robust directories made there, and there are a lot of directories, then it may be issues. But this time it's a simple I have not given, and still it has worked. So but the best practice is to give the path file also, like give the path as well as the directory name and the path every time. So I have missed that, but you have to give for the best practices. Like if you have a two password file or username file in a same scenario, then how it will be working. So you have to give that. By mistake I have not provided that, but you have to give that every single time. This is the good practice to give password. Yeah, so so
Yeah,
it's
okay.
a, yeah, it's a little mistake from my side, but no problem, it has worked well. But it may given me the issue, I may be troubleshoot that by giving the path also, so no problem with that. Okay, so now it has given us the session. So let me open the session. So this is the session 1, it has opened. Okay, so this is the session 1. So to open the session, we have a command which is, one second, session hyphen I, and I first session I am going to open. So now it has directly given us the access of our metasploitable 2 machine. Like through Telnet, you can log into any Linux server or any Linux machine you are trying to get into that. So this is also a very deep vulnerability that I think till right now no one is going to run Telnet and this much unsecured servers right now. But yes, if you find somewhere it's just a jackpot for you, but I don't think people are that much foolish right now, and they may have configured. But yeah, if they want to compromise your data and they are not that much serious regarding their configuration, then they may have configured this. So I can't say that anywhere they are not using this right now, but yeah, some people are little smart also, and they will be not using this. So let me check who am I. So it's again showing MSF admin, like it's right now in we are again in here. So in Telnet, it's an unencrypted protocol, and SSH is a complete encrypted protocol. So this is the main difference here. Here everything is unencrypted. So let me open another terminal. Like I'm going to open another terminal, and I will be logging to the Telnet through the terminal. Let me check is it is allowing it or not. So simply I'm giving the command telnet and the IP address, and it's working on the port 23. So let's put this, and now I have logged into the Metasploit through my one second. Okay, so again I have to put username and password here. So okay, I have given the wrong password. So my username and password was msf admin. One second. Okay, so now we are into metasploitable again. So I am putting wrong spelling. Okay, so now we are again back to our metasploitable 2 machine, and now we have a complete terminal access through our Kali machine terminal. So this is also that's how you connect to any telnet server, and you can do a lot of stuffs here. So let me do Control plus C, and I want to exit from here. So nothing, you can check all files, and can make file, like make dir, and you can make any file here, and you can inject some viruses that will be infecting the entire system. So that lot of attack you can do after getting access to any through any port or any open port and any services. So so there are a lot of damages anyone can do while having this type of access to any services. So so hope attacking on a telnet and attacking SSH is completed to all of you. And so now we will be switching to SMTP, which is mail protocol server. So now we will be switching to SMPT, and that is also very much similar to this. Not that much. We will be not doing any brute force attack in SMTP server, but these for these two, like SSH and Telnet, you have to do brute force attack, and you have to try to log in through the brute force login script. So that's all about these two. So let me switch to SMTP. Can anyone tell me is there any copyright issues while showing this type of images from Google, or I have to use my own image only? Because I put some videos on YouTube also. Anyone have any ideas regarding this? Anyone can tell me, like do I get any copyright strikes? Okay, okay, okay. I will check. I will check. Just let me use just by today. Okay. some chat sir मैंने किस HTTP same. You just have to make a password file for the brute force. Like first, run any crawler on the website, like victim website. Just run a crawler there and capture all the important words from there, and then make a word list through that, and then try to attack. So this is the best way. I will come back to HTTP also. Just give me a few minutes. I will be back there. Okay, so this how SMTP looks like. It's a mail server basically. So it is a protocol which is used for sending and receiving emails, and it is based on a port 24 by default, and you can also change this to port 465 or port 587 for the secure communication. Like port 25 5 is easily visible to any attacker. So that's why you can shift this to port 65 and port 465 and port 587 also for the secure communication. And for penetration tester, enumerating SMTP is also very important, because you may find lot of vulnerabilities here. So it will be helping you to find the users enumeration. Like you can find the valid email addresses while attacking on the any SMTP server. You can find the or you can identify all the users accounts by using SMTP attacks, or you can even gather a lot of information regarding the machine who is using SMTP protocol. So this how it all works, and it is a lot of lot of information gathering you can do just by using SMTP protocol. So that's why it's quite good. So let me again, anyone have any issues regarding SMTP? Like all the college university websites, even Facebook also have a SMTP server open there. So every website is using a SMTP server only. So let's learn how to do that. So first exit from here. I'm going to back. No, I am just exiting. So let me again run a quick scan on my Kali machine. So nmap service version. This is a scanning my metasploitable 2 machine, and it will be giving me the idea like is my SMTP server is open or not. So it's a quick check here. So let it finish. So now my scan is done, and it's on a port 25. Like till now we have seen like how to attack FTP, SSH, Telnet, and now this is SMTP server, which is postfix SMTP running version right now, and this is open, so we can attack. So the port may be closed also, the port may be undefined also. So you have to get an idea regarding the state of ports also through the state terminal. So when you find the condition of port, then you can start attacking or start getting information about it. So let me start my MSF console again. Okay, so let's search for sorry SMTP. Okay, so now it has lot of auxiliaries for SMTP also. So today we will be using SMTP for version detection only, like or even for enumeration only we will be using. So anyone have any issues, or should we start with some auxiliary scanner only? Anyone have any questions regarding SMTP? Any questions?
No questions.
Okay. So let me switch back. Okay, so for this, I'm going to do a SMTP version detection here. So for this, there is the version key, SMTP version. Okay, so this one we are going to use like auxiliary scanner SMTP version. For banner grabbing, we will be using, and if there is any vulnerabilities there, we will be trying to get into that. So let me copy this. Why to copy? Just simply use 37. Okay, so now my auxiliary scanner is loaded here. So for options, and check what are the options it is giving here. Okay, so now we have R host, R4 threads. This is not regarding the brute force attack. This is you can just simply set R host here and it will be start attacking. So let me set the R host. Um, Set R host and my let me check for my IP address, which is this one. Okay, so set R host. Now my R host is sorry, 1 second. Give me a space here. Press enter. So now my R host is also set. So let me show the options.
The stock is spelling गलत.
Yes. Got that. Okay, so now my R host is loaded here, and thread I can set set maximum one also. I can take it up to 5, but I'm using one only. So my thread is on. So let me run this and see what happens here. Okay, so actually my it's running metasploitable 2 here, like now this shows that we can directly log into the SMTP protocol by using this. So you can directly log into the SMTP by just giving the telnet command, or by using netcat you can simply connect to the SMTP server. So let me again open another terminal. I will be using this terminal this time. So I have to connect to the SMTP server. So for that you have your netcat, like increase the size. 1 second. Okay, so now my terminal side visible, everyone. Netcat. Okay, so to connect to the SMTP server, you can connect using netcat. Netcat is a very powerful tool. I will be discussing this just after 1 or 2 session. I will be discussing this too. You can simply put netcat, your target IP address and the port number. So it is now starting to connect to the connect to the SMTP server. It has now started and trying to make a connection to the netcat server. So till that, let me check what are the basic SMTP commands that you can use. So open the Firefox. SMTP yeah, commands. You can visit to Geek for Geeks for this. They have explained it very well. Okay, so these are the commands for the SMTP. Like first we have our hello, then mail, then rep verify. It is used for verify what are the functions available there, what are the modules running there, what are the softwares running there. We also have no turn expand. So if you have no any idea regarding the SMTP commands, there are around 14 to 50 commands only. So you can visit this website and learn all the commands also. So let me minimize this and again cut. Let me back to, so now we have SS. So let me verify it is root or not. So verify, I think this is the right answer. Verify root. Sorry, I have to use a small root. Okay, so it's giving me error here. So let me do hello localhost. It's hello localhost. Sorry. Okay, so it's showing localhost is metasploitable 2 money 2, and domain is this one. So this how you can do a lot of exercise on your SMTP server by taking the SS through the Kali machine of your metasploitable 2 machine. So if you want to practice this thing, you can simply do on your own machine also, and don't try to hammer any website server or any college or university server and targeting their SMTP server. So don't try to do this. Just always be in your limit and don't break any rules. So this is all about the SMTP enumeration or SMTP attack. So hope everything is clear to all of you. Anyone have any doubts, or should we end the session? Or should
Next
I?
time, I think
Yes. Anyone have any issues?
let's try again.
What to try again for that? You result is clear now. I have minimized everything, bro. So what you want to see again, bro? Tell me. You can even connect to SMTP using Telnet also. Let me try with Telnet. Okay, so I have left this thing only. So Telnet. So Telnet, by Telnet also you can connect. That's why Telnet is very vulnerable, and people are not using this right now. So and many SMTP server may reveal details like software version also. So I have to exit here. I don't want to log in through there. Okay, so let me cut this, and I will be logging to the SMTP server again. So for that I will be using a netcat. Oh, okay. Or you can verify, like you can practice all this command through the Geekforce gigs, like take all the verify command and all that, and you can practice on your own. Like verify MySQL, you can do verify a daemon, you can do. So this thing you have to do on your own also. These are the very basic things. I have another session from right now, so I have to go for that. So anyone have any questions, or should be in this session right now? And you all have to do one thing, like you have to practice for your HTTP enumeration, like use metasploit to do HTTP enumeration. HTTP, hope everyone knows, like it's a hyper transfer protocol, and used to communicate between server and clients on the web server. So try to do HTTP. We have lot of auxiliaries also. I can show you like what are the HTTP auxiliaries you have and you can do. Let me cut this out back. Okay, so for HTTP, you also have a lot, like around 6,000 plus for HTTP we have, because HTTP is far greater, and it's far vulnerable, because almost whole internet is just working on the HTTP. So it's also very much vulnerable also. So for vulnerability detection, you can use auxiliary. This is for practice, like you all have to do this on your own. I'm just showing like what are the thing you can do, like HTTP http/http in this version. You can use this to show the versions and attack on the HTTP. Okay, so by doing this, you can attack on HTTP also, and for HTTPS also you may have a few modules available, but I have not checked that yet. Like I don't think Metasploitable have some modules for HTTPS also, but if there is available, I will be discussing that in the next upcoming session. So hope everything is clear for all of you. That's all for today, and practice whatever you have done today, and try to get into all this thing and practice all the commands. And if you face any issues, simply text me on a WhatsApp to get into that. Okay, so that's all for today. Please provide recorded video. Yes, a student video. You will be getting the recording of all that. Sir, समझा SMTP server का output. SMTP server output is like it will show you the what is the mail server running there, what are the email that are available in the web server where you are attacking. Like SMTP is basically an email server, and when you are attacking that and you are trying to find the details there, you will be getting like how much email are stored in that server, what are the details there, what is the username available there. So this detail you can find from there. So that's how you get the idea. Yes, and this is my YouTube channel. So you will be getting this video recording also on a YouTube, so you can watch that. And so that's how